Hey kids, we are going to make origami tulip flower today, and I am going to make small flowers like this much small. So for that we are going to fold our sheet from center. I have taken the full origami sheet now. Now I am going to fold it from the center like this, and I will cut it from the center. As you can see, I am going to cut it from the center. So now I have got two sheets. Now I will keep them together and again fold from the center like this. I have got the line now. I will cut it again. Alright. Now I have got 4 sheets with me. Okay. And now I will be able to make 4 flowers. So let's start with the flower now. This is my origami sheet. This is a square sheet. Now I will fold it from the center like this. I'll get 3 angles, 1, 2, 3. All right. Now I will again fold the sheet from the center like this. Okay. And now I'll open it. Now I have got a line in between for my center line. All right. Now I'll keep my finger here in the center and fold it in a triangle form like this. All right. And now again I am keeping my finger here in the center and folding it from the side. Now I will turn around the sheet and make a small fold from here like this, and from this side also. Okay. So my tulip flower is now ready. See, it's ready now. Now what I am going to do, I am going to make a bouquet with these tulip flowers now. I have already got so many tulip flowers with me. These are my flowers ready with me. Now I am going to make a bouquet with these tulip flowers. Okay. I have got pink flower, yellow, blue, green and orange. These are the flowers with me now. Okay. So I will keep my flowers like this here. Fine. Okay. I'll keep my flowers like this, and then I'll show you. This is the way I'm going to keep my flowers. Okay. Fine. Now I will paste them all and I will make the leaves and stems. So this is the way I am pasted my all the flowers in the form of bouquet. Right now it must not be looking like a bouquet, but once I'll complete it with the stem and leaves, then it will look like a bouquet. Now I am going to make stems like this. You are also going to make stems like this. Alright. Now I'll make leaves. You can also make leaves like this. Okay. We are going to make so many leaves. Then it will give a very good and beautiful effect. When you make leaves like this, it will give a effect of bunch. And here, if you want, you can make a ribbon like this, as if you have tied your bouquet. Now after doing this outline with the sketch pen, I am going to fill colors in it. Okay. So this is I am done with now my outline now, and now I'll show you the colors. Okay. So finally my bouquet of tulip flower is ready. I would like to tell you the colors. This is the pink color which I used to make this ribbon, and these are the two green shades which I use for these leaves, and this is the yellow color which I use for shading. Now I have got a black color with me. It is up to me whether I would like to do some shading or not. If I don't want to do the shading, this is the clear neat flower without any shading, and if you want, you can do little bit of, you can make such type of strokes in your flower if you want. So I am using black color to use these strokes in my flower. You can also do like this if you want, and if you don't want to make these strokes, it's totally up to you. You can keep it like this also. Alright, it's very simple and easy. Just give little strokes to your flowers like this, and that's all for my video. Thank you and enjoy doing it.